Hi, Tom Casey here, and today I want to talk to you about the 5 most common problems we find when we're working on or replacing an HVAC system. There are 5 things that we typically find on about 90% of the systems we touch. And that kind of matches up to Energy Star, who's the authority and sets all the standards for our trade as far as energy and efficiency goes. They say that 9 out of 10 systems have at least one operational deficiency of the way they're installed. So it tracks exactly with what we're saying here today. The first problem that we see is sizing. Something's improperly sized. It's either too big or too small, and we're looking for it just right. The second problem we see is improper airflow. Once the system's sized right, there's a certain amount of air called CFM, or cubic feet per minute, that has to be delivered to the total space and also room by room to ensure the proper heating, cooling, and dehumidification, and sound and comfort levels. The third problem is the refrigerant charge. An incorrect charge, too much refrigerant, too little refrigerant, is going to impact the efficiency, the capacity, the dehumidification, all the way that the system runs to heat and or cool the home. The fourth area of problem is duct leakage, and you have a return side of the system that draws air from the space, and you have a supply side of the system that pushes air to the space. And there's different problems that go with each one of those. The bottom line is we want all the air to come from the space to the system and then go back from the system to the space. And if it's not, you're paying to heat or cool the outside, the outdoors, the attic, the crawl space, the garage, or whatever, and we're not getting that capacity and that efficiency to your home or business. And the fifth one, which is really a big one, it matters a lot more of who and how than what they do. That's poor install practices. If the system is not installed properly, it could be sized right, the airflow could be correct, the ductwork could be correct, you can charge it properly, but if they use poor installation practices, that's going to be one of the deficiencies, and it's going to shorten the life expectancy, decrease the capacity, decrease the efficiency, and result in nuisance breakdowns, lack of comfort, things like that. So there you've got them. The top 5 deficiencies we find on about 90% of the HVAC systems we service and install. Boom.